Hello and welcome to the second video in our series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a GitHub repository. Okay, so the first step is to navigate to github.com. Upon navigating to the website, you will see here on the top left, there's a top repository section and a new button. Click on that button to create your new repository. Here, there's a section to name your repository. I'm going to name mine IMY Calculator, and a section to also give your repository a description, and a option to make it public, which means anyone can view your repository, or private, where you can control the access to your repository. You can also add the default readme, also add a gitignore, which is a file that upon uploading some files to your GitHub, it will ignore some other file extensions. So if there is a file that has sensitive information that you would not like to be uploaded to your GitHub, you add it to your gitignore. And also, you can also choose a Git license. I'm going to choose mine as the MIT license, and then I create my repository. After creating a repository, you're taken to the page here. This is the button that shows your branches. Here I just have one branch, and the branch that I'm currently in is the main branch. And then the initial commits in your file, which is the license and the readme. The readme is where you keep the description of your repository. And then here is the issues tab, where an issue is just a task that you would assign to a particular contributor into the repository. So, and here's the pull requests, the actions, and a projects folder. The projects folder is where you keep your project board to keep yourself accountable. So you can see here, there's also like an insights tab where you can see the number of contributions here and the pulse of your particular repository. Right, so here let me just make an issue, new issue. So the title is Satori. I can assign it to myself, add a label if I want, documentation, invalid. You can also add custom labels here. So let me just have this one as enhancement. Add that label. Types, there are currently no types. Projects, there's currently no project. And then you can also set milestones, which are particular points in time which you want to achieve, so deadlines that you want to set for a particular project. So yeah, and then I create the issue, and as you can see, the issue is then created to myself. Clone the repository, which will be our next video in the series. Thank you.